So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to a video in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up iMovie. On there you can see some projects. You can even start a new one on here. So if we want to add to a video, let's open up a project that is a video. So you can see this is some video. It doesn't have a watermark. Now if I want to add one, I will go to the plus sign and on there go to photos. And make sure that you choose the option picture in picture once you click on your photo and click the three dots. On here you can see this is how the watermark or the picture that's going to be a watermark will look. You can go ahead and click on it and you can expand it, and let's say we put it on here. So that's about here. Now if I wish to do something to it, so I can see some other options on here as well, and I can go to here by creating it and adding some other features. So you can add it on here if you wish to move it, so it's not really that obvious that it is on the picture. So let's add it to the bottom. You can see it's part of the video right now. So if I go to a test run, you can see now it's in the bottom left corner, and it's a sort of watermark or you can add, it's sort of a stamp for your video. And if you wish to add maybe some filters so we can blend better or some other stuff, you can do it through the filter page on here. You can also do some other setup with it, or even change it to some other option on here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.